One of the Chris's. Love that electric chainsaw, so quiet. It's day 19 and it's a little daunting, the idea of doing upstairs bathroom remodel, painting, possibly kitchen remodel, getting appliances, finishing the landscaping, the front porch, the back deck, cleaning things up in 12 days. That should have factored 3 or 4 extra days just for dealing with flat head. Oh, that's a little messed up. Flat head, hardware. So what'd you take down here? This? Yeah, cardboard.
Cardboard was up there like this, and when you take this stuff down, it's really neat because you just put your hand behind it.
I thought we were going to go under contract today, but the person changed their mind after checking it out a couple times. So that's how it goes sometimes. And you know, we had been planning to just finish up a few projects and finish next week then if we were under contract. But now we're back to the original plan. Lock these suckers in. Welcome home. Thanks, buddy. First cherry blossoms. This grand old cherry tree seems to be on its way out, so I had to go George Washington on it and chop off the dead branches. It may not make it, but I'm hopeful that it will live on as one of these smaller sucker trees. I've been burning the candle at both ends for a few weeks here. I've had to build one of these each of the last 3 weeks, moonlighting on the weekends to do it, in between my son's soccer games. It's Sunday evening now. I'm going to finish editing this video. I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to have a drink on the treehouse deck.